you or the mayor? Because you have just said na yung agreement, hinabol pa ng DBP.
Huwag nyo na pong dagdagan kasi lalo po kayong nalulubog eh.
Sino pa po yung mayor mo?
Mayor Gallego, nakipag-usap po kayo sa Development Bank of the Philippines, no?
Yes, Your Honor.
At dun sa pakikipag-usap po nyo, sinasabi niyo po kanina na matagal yung usapan, kaya pumunta po kayo sa Land Bank of the Philippines. Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, have you secured an authority to negotiate with Development Bank of the Philippines? Nakakuha po ba kayo ng authority to negotiate with DBP sa atin pong konseho?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you kindly give us the authority that was given to you by the council? Andito mga councilor, di ba? So, sino po ba ang vice mayor? Sino yung mga councilor? Did you give an authority to the mayor? Andito naman ang mga councilor. Pwede po natin tanongin yung mga councilor. Sino po ang chairman ng Committee on Finance?
Mr. Chairman, good morning.
Councilor
Pinuela.
Jan. So, ikaw yung chairman ng Committee on APRO on Finance.
Yes.
So, did you secure and did you approve a authority to negotiate with the DBP?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Anong date po yan?
Resolution number 22-166 on August 23, 2022. We unanimously passed the authority giving mayor to negotiate and to sign pertaining documents regarding the Land Bank of the Philippines and the DBP.
Okay, so can you kindly submit it to us na yung authority that was given? And thereby, after the negotiation failed, you secure another authority to negotiate with the Land Bank.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Can you also submit to us?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, did you also have the documents pertaining to the loan agreement? Yung to enter into the authority that was given to the mayor?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, can you kindly submit to us as well? Meron din kayong loan agreement that entered into with DBP?
Just a resolution, Mr. Chair.
Resolution on?
When we pass the granting authority to Mayor, Mr. Chair.
So, authority lang to negotiate?
Yan,
Then afterwards,
to negotiate and sign a pertaining loan document, Mr. Chair.
So negotiate and
to sign documents pertaining the loan application of the...
Can you kindly submit to us para makita po natin sa ngayon, no? So the 1.4 billion was discussed with DBP, Mayor Gallego. The 1.4 billion loan was discussed with Development Bank of the Philippines. Yes or no lang po naman?
No, Your Honor.
Yung pong na-discuss po nyo sa DBP yung 1.4 billion.
500 million only, Your Honor, sa DBP po.
Sa DBP po yun.
Opo.
Saan yun na-discuss yung 1.4 billion?
Sa Land Bank of the Philippines po.
Sa Land Bank?
Opo.
So yung 500 sa DBP?
Hindi po. Lahat sa Land Bank lahat po.
So anong diniscuss po sa DBP?
Yung una namin na mag-apply, Your Honor, 500 million sa DBP and 600 million sa Land Bank of the Philippines, Your Honor.
So isang 500 sa DBP at 600 sa Land Bank?
Opo, Your Honor.
So dalawang resolution po ginawa nyo. Isang August 2023, saka anong petsa yung sa Land Bank?
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
actually August 23, 2022, Mr. Chair, include na po dyan yung 900 million for LB, Land Bank, and 500 million for DBP, Mr. Chairman.
So in other words, dalawang bangko ang nilagay nyo sa resolution. So, the authority that was given to the mayor was to negotiate with the Land Bank and Development Bank of the Philippines. Why two? Why don't you think it will be more harder para po sa inyo na mag-negotiate sa dalawang bangko? Ano naging wisdom po ninyo? Bakit dalawang bangko po yung inyong pinili?
Para naman po, Mayor, makaano man ang Land Bank at saka ang DBP. Nga dalawang bangko ang kuna namin ng loan sana po, Your Honor.
At ano po naman nakuha yung advantage nung talking with the two banks instead of taking and negotiating with one bank alone?
Ang advantage dati, Your Honor, is yung may offer sila na parang ano yun, may mababa ang interest rate, Your Honor.
Sino mas mababa interest rate? Land Bank o the Development Bank? Sino mas mababa ang interest rate? DBP or LB?
Hindi ko na natandaan, Your Honor, ang...
Yun. Talking about 1.1 billion, di mo alam yung interest rate? Sino mas mababa ang interest rate? Ang tinatanong ko.
I think...
Land Bank or Development Bank of the Philippines?
I think...
Hindi mo dapat I think. Dapat hindi I think. Dapat alam mo kung sino mas mababa interest rate. Kasi binigyan ka ng pagkakataon na mag-negotiate sa dalawang bangko. Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, alin na mas mababa interest? Land Bank o Development Bank of the Philippines?
Pareho at Your Honor.
Hindi ata dito. Sino dyan? Land Bank? Development Bank of the Philippines?
Mayor, nare-realize nyo ba yung consequence ng pagsagot nyo sa katanungan ni Honorable Fernandez na you do not even know yung kung aling bangko ang mas mababa ang interest rate? Are you trying to tell this committee na hindi nyo po alam kung sino sa dalawang bangko ang may lower interest rate samantalang kayo nanghihiram? Hindi ba dapat logical at saka legally dapat hanapin mo yung lower interest at hindi nyo alam yun?
Pareho lang, Your Honor.
Sabi ko pa doon?
Parehas lang, Your Honor. Pareho.
Parehas.
Opo.
Yun ang alam ninyo.
Opo, Your Honor.
Sagutin nyo si Honorable Fernandez ng gano'n.
Okay, Consular, since parehas. Consular, Finance. What is the interest rate of the Land Bank of the Philippines on your loan? Yung 1.1 billion. Magkano interest rate?
Mr. Chair, can I refer to my document first so that I can answer the accurate...
Ano yung loan to utang to ng taong bayan.
Yes, Mr.
Dapat
Chair.
alam niyo kung magkano ang interest rate niyan. Kasi magbabayad niyan yung mga mamamayan natin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Is na ba nag-loan ang silay?
In my term, sir, first time, sir, previous administration, I think, pila na mag-loan.
Yung back chairman, sinong back chairman ninyo? O finance officer ng legal officer, magkano ang interest rate ng loan? Kung pinili nyo lang over DBP, siguro mas mababa. I'm pretty sure mas mababa ang Land Bank. Di ba? Kasi pinili nyo Di ba?
Yung pagkakaalam ko po, kasi based on the current, kung ano yung nagiging current, yun yung, wala naman kasi fix Kung ano yung current rate of interest.
Sandali, you have a loan agreement with Land Bank.
Yes po.
And of course, nakalagay yun. Hindi mo pwede, walang fix. Nakalagay yun sa first 2 years, ilan ang interest rate. Sa proceeding year, ganun din po yan. Hindi po pwede yung sinasabi nyo kung wala.
Meron po yun.
Meron po, naka-specify. Wait, attorney. Naka-specify po yan sa loan agreement to ninyo. Being the city legal officer of Silay, alam nyo, ano yung pinirmahan ni Mayor? Magkano yung interest rate that was signed by the Mayor?
Hindi ko na po matandaan. Pero meron po yun. Tama po kayo, merong agreement. Nandoon po yun. Ewan ko kung sinong may hawak nun na parang nasa treasurer yata po eh. Sa land bank meron po yun. Pero originally po, if you will allow me, kasi merong una na negotiation yata yung previous administration sa City Hall. So yung DPP nagpunta rin kay Mayor, tapos yung land bank may offer din. So kung sino yung mababa, para nagkakabulan sila. Pero siyempre hindi naman nila pwedeng i-violate yung current rate. So sa current rate kami nag-settle. Yun po yung inilagay sa contract na inaprubahan ng Sangguniang Panlungsod po. Siyempre si Mayor gusto niya rin na maghati yung dalawa. Halos parehas lang naman po kasi based on current rate. So yung DPP kung parang mayroong proposal na sa previous administration. So sabi ni Mayor, 500 na lang yung sa inyo. Yung sa land bank is 900. So nagkausap naman po yun. So yung land bank na-approve po yung 900 originally. Kaya lang po, medyo yung sa DPP, parang naghintay kami ng matagal. Wala naman pong advice. Yung land bank po, talaga nag-a-advise sa amin from day to day. No? Opo, ganun po yun.
Okay, attorney, okay na. Andito pala land bank. Land bank, can we have a accurate answer on the interest rate that was signed by land bank and the Silay government?
Yeah. The accurate interest rate that we're charging is prevailing bank rate at the time of release or availment subject to quarterly repricing.
How much?
Prevailing bank rate.
How much nga?
It's BIBAL. Our prevailing pricing right now, Your Honor, is based on BIBAL rate, Bloomberg valuation rate, which is used by banks, plus a spread based on credit rating of the LGU, which is prime. The rating of the LGU is prime rating.
Sir, pakisagot na lang, 6%, 5%, ilan ba?
Because it's it will change every day kasi Your Honor. So right now, the latest pricing is 5.6%. Yung latest namin na repricing.
So, pag nalagay nyo sa contract nyo is, nagdedepende kayo sa daily change of the interest rate?
Yes, that's prevailing bank rate at the time of release or at the time of repricing, Your Honor.
Pumayag kayo, Mayor, na gano'n ang inyong kontrata? Hindi kayo nag-fix rate?
Yun ang pinakamababa, Your Honor.
Hindi dapat daily ang kasi nagbabago-bago yung kanyang rate eh. Di ba dapat ang ginawa mo, Mayor, is to have a fixed rate on a certain period of time, acceleration on preceding year. Ilang years ang plan mo?
Pardon po, Your Honor.
Ilang taon po yung loan contract nyo with Land Bank? Ilang taon po yung loan nyo? Yung utang? Ilang taon nyo babayaran?
15 years, Your Honor.
15 years. O kaya nga, fixed yung ating taon. So sa 15 years na fixed, dapat may fixed rate din po kayo. For example, 5 years, fixed nyo, 5.6 yun ang prevailing. And then mag-a-accelerate po yan. Ganun ang paglo-loan, hindi yung hahayaan nyo sila magdesisyon ng pagtaas ng interest rate. That's wrong. Attorney, pinayagan mo yung mayor mo na ganun pinasok?
At that time po, yun ang pinakamababa na kasi kung yun, parang may
Hindi, ang sinasabi niya, depende nga, araw-araw nagbabago yan, kasasabi na ng Land Bank ko, daily, nagbabago. Saan mo na po yung memorandum or something na ano yan?
I'd like to clarify, Your Honor. The rate is based on the prevailing bank rate at the time of availment. So for example, ang bank rate ngayon is 6%, that would be the interest
Did
rate.
you not haggle with that? Kasi sinasabi nila, tama yun eh. Prevailing na bank rate. Pero siyempre, tayo naglo-loan, 15 years. Okay, ito 5 years. Kailangan 5.6% lang ako for the first 5 years. And then, ako kasi nung naglo-loan kami, ganyan ang ginagawa namin eh. Then, after 5 years, doon lang papasok yung pagtaas ng interest rate. Which is, gusto rin nila yun eh. Pero kung papabayaan nyo sila kung ano existing bank rate, well, I think that is, hindi po yan favorable sa government. Ano yan, may culpability po kayo dyan. Dahil hindi nyo tinitignan yung interest ng pagbabayad ng ating mga mamamayan. Sinecure nyo dapat. Pinabayaan nyo ang land bank to secure a loan with you 15 years depending on what is the existing bank rate. That's wrong. In negotiating with a loan agreement, dapat po, you always consider yung ano yung pinakamababang babayaran nyo. Di ba? Dapat nga yung may tinatawag siyang may tinatawag na leeway eh. For the first 5 years, kailangan, na ito muna ang babayaran natin interest rate. Fix yun. Di ba? Kaso, hinayaan nyo sila. What is the big amount in consideration that you allow land bank to do that? Mayor, why did you allow it? Na 15 years, nagdedepende sa bank rate nila? Ngayon ako nakakita ng ganong loan agreement na hindi man lang kayo bumargain. At sinabi nyo na hindi, gusto namin 5 years. O kapag ayaw yan, lipat kami sa Development Bank of the Philippines. Ito ang magiging kontrata namin. 5 years, fix. Correct? Attorney? Go ahead.
During the time po, yun na yung pinakamababang bank rate, yung sa land bank. Kasi pinakamababa yung compared with other banks. Kung mag-private, mas mataas pa po. May acceleration clause talaga yun eh. Policy po yata ng mga bangko yun. So, merong binigay pa nga yung privilege yung land bank sa amin na parang during the time mataas, pero yung pinakamababa po yung binigay nila sa amin. Pero yung projection, siyempre, although hindi natin masasabi, pero nag-gain po yung government to kasi nung nag-start kami mataas. Pero ngayon, as of today, mababa na po ang bank rate na po. Mababa.
Anyway,
So, kaya po, mas maganda po yung taas to ba kaysa yung pagka nakapix ka na doon, may chances po na mayroong mababa talaga. Magdadive yung rate of interest. So parang average na rin po yan from higher to lower. Nag-gain po kami dahil ngayon po mababa. Dahil kung mag-stick po kami dun sa talagang regular rate, yun pa rin po ang babayaran namin.
Hindi dapat attorney ginawa mo kung alam mo na ba mababa, gano'n, di ba? Di po that in the contract. Hindi po kayo umayon na sinasabi ng...
Ganun po yung iniisip namin kasi parang average din po yan. Kasi nung kinuha na kami, mataas yun eh. So, pero yun ang pinakamababa na in-offer nila sa amin. Pero ngayon...
okay, sige, nakuha ko na yung gusto mong i-point out. Naintindihan ko na yun. No, wait. Naintindihan ko. Bumababa talaga yan eh. Okay tayo dyan. Pero hindi considerable reduction, di ba? And that is that's disadvantage talaga sa government kapag hindi mo nilagyan ng fix yung contract nyo within 15 years eh. Considering also yung economy natin, di ba? Alam na natin ang interest rate natin, it's hindi ascending position eh. Not in rescinding one eh. Di ba? So,
pero ayun na po yung...
ko, attorney. So, nung kinonsider nyo yung land bank at 5.6 yung rate during that time, magkano sa DBP?
Parehas lang sila po. Parang ganun din yung offer. Wala po, hindi po na-finalize yung kasi hindi po kami nagpirmahan ng contract of loan. Walang finality. Pero sabi ng DBP, habulin namin yung land bank para amin yan. So, halos parehas din po yung offer. During that time, yun po yung pinakamababa.
Mr. Chairman, just a short interjection. And then yung statement ni Attorney Hader is not in conformity with the statement of the good mayor a while ago when I was asking about supposedly the loan agreement between the DBP and the city government of Silay. Ang sabi po ni Mayor, kaya nga pinaulit ko pa, masyadong matagal ang DBP. Yun ang statement yan, not the statement that you have issued, Attorney Hader. And that's on record. Who is now telling the truth? You or the Mayor? Because you have just said na yung agreement, hinabol pa ng DBP. Hinabol ng DBP kung ano man yung interest rate by the Land Bank of the Philippines. But the Mayor answered my query during the early interpellation by this representation. Sabi ni Mayor, masyadong matagal ang DBP. Now, you're talking about hinabol pa ng DBP. Which is true.
Ito po yung, tama po si Mayor.
Don't
Attorney.
talk unless you are recognized.
Attorney,
Sorry po.
would state na bago po kayo sumagot o magsalita, you wait to be recognized.
I'm sorry po.
Okay?
Yes po, yes po.
For your information. Maraming pong salamat. Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, with the indulgence of Chairman Harap. And of course,
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
yeah,
I yield to the Honorable Jojo Lara.
yeah, thank you very much,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
The Honorable Lara is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Tanong ko lang sa Land Bank. Di ba pagka kausap nyo ang prospective client katulad nito, di ba dinidiscuss nyo yung pros and cons ng mga terms and conditions nyo? Tama ba yun?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ngayon, nabanggit kanina ni Chairman Dan yung interest na sinasabi mo fluctuating or
Repricing.
flexible terms. Hindi nyo ba pinag-usapan nung time na yun na mag-a-avail na sila or magkokontrata na kayo na ang interest rate ninyo is based dito muna for duration ng ganitong term? Hindi nyo ba diniscuss yun na pwedeng mag-fix ng 5 years, mag-fix ng 8 years with the grace period dahil yung time na 2 years, hindi mo na sila magbabayad ng principal, interest muna. Di ba dinidiscuss yan ng bangko?
Your Honor, that's part of the negotiation and discussion during the time that we presented our proposal. At that time kasi, Your Honor, remember 2022 and 2023, that was the time that the interest rate was really very high.
Yes, I understand. Kasi panahon ng ano yan, di ba? After ng COVID.
Yes.
No?
And then,
But naging, hindi naman pwede na kung ako, borrower, magbiblis ako kung anong interest bibigay mo sa akin. It will never happen. Kasi dalawa tayo mag-uusap. Yung pwede sa akin, no, acceptable sa akin, na acceptable din sa iyo. Na siguro naman agree ka dun. Wala naman sigurong kliyente na mag-a-agree na lang sa iyo ng bangko kung anong ituturo mo sa akin na ipapalunok mo. Ibig sabihin, desperado na si mayor niya. Tama o mali ako doon? Agree ka ba?
tama.
Agree ka ba ng kliyente na hindi na nagtatanong ng interest rate? Ay, desperado?
Hindi naman lahat, Your Honor. Kasi
Ibig mo sabihin, may kliyente, hindi na nagtatanong, basta pautangin mo lang, wala na kung magkano interest?
basta ang kliyente, they are very confident at their credit fundamentals na ang rating nila is prime rated by the banks.
Yes,
So,
pero ipapaglig ko lang, Land Bank, no, with due respect sa inyo, ulitin ko lang yung sinasabi ko kanina, na ang interest rate usually is form part of the condition ng borrowing.
Yes, sir.
Very basic yan. Very important and basic aspect ng loan. Walang naglo-loan na hindi pinag-uusapan ang interest rate. Kasi magtatanong ka sa ibang bangko eh. Okay? At yung unang bangko na kausap nila, ang DBP, definitely, pagka nag-offer ng interest rate yun, binabaan mo, babalik sila siyempre dun. Tama o mali ako dun?
Tama.
O ngayon, anong special sa'yo na sa'yo sila nag-avail despite na yung sinasabi mo, yung rate mo hindi fixed, ang rate mo ay hindi ganong siguro kataas. Kaya ipo-compare lang natin, Mr. Chair, pagdating ng DBP, no? Kung bakit nasa kanila sila nag-avail. So yun lang ang ano ko, kasi with due respect sa Silay, no? Ito, parang hindi na safeguard ang kapakanan ng bayan dito. No? Parang nasakripisyo, pwede naman sana tayo makipag-negotiate ng maayos na terms and condition when it regards to the interest rate, no? At the expense of the constituent ng City of Silay. Parang nilunok na lang pwede naman sana nag-fix ka despite na mataas ang rate na sinasabi mo. Kasi if I got your statement right, nung sinabi mo, taas kasi ang rate during that time. Di mas advantageous sana sa Silay na during that time napataas. That time na nag-avail na sila, i-fix na nila. Kasi pataas eh. Do you agree with that?
Mataas talaga yung rate
Yes,
at that time.
pero pataas sabi mo eh, pataas. Yung mataas na yan, pataas pa. Di ba mas favorable sana sa Silay na nag-fix sila? Yun lang yung ano ko na mag-fix man lang sila, no, for a particular year. No? Kasi siyempre hinahabol din nila na mababa ang interest. At nakikita na, in-explain mo siguro, pataas ang rate. So yun lang ang ano ko, Mr. Chair, when it comes to the interest rates po. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Chair.
Chairman, yung land bank.
Mr. Chair, kasi may tanong sa Your Honor regarding what's special to Land Bank. Number one, we processed the loan as fast as we could. That's why we were able to deliver the credit approval ahead of DBP. Second, we're giving the LGU the best rate in the market that we could assure. So during negotiation, we really give them the best rate. At that time, the interest rate was high, so it's not advisable to fix the interest rate because that was high. Even if they opt to have the fixing for 5 or 10 years, that would really be very high because if you fix the interest rate, it's high because there's a premium rather than the repricing. So the suggestion was to have the repricing, what was this decision, so that mababa talaga ang interest rate, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, alam mo, yung sinasabi mo, parang short of saying, monthly ang gunang interest rate nila?
Quarterly.
Quarterly. Di ba yung mataas during that time? Hindi mo naman i-fix yun in 1 year. So ang gumunang interest rate is after a year. Okay, possible, di ba? So nagtataka lang ako, no? Kasi hindi mo na itatanong, galing din ako sa loan sa bangko. Okay? Kaya kung alam yung sinasabi mo, dumaan na din ako sa lahat niyan, no? Kaya hindi mo din ako pwedeng bulayin dating dyan. Okay? Yun lang, with due respect, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Padwara.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, no, let me reiterate. Kasi sabi ko kanina, the previous statement of the Mayor was why the DVP loan agreement was not consummated because of ang statement niya, to be exact, is masyadong matagal ang DVP. But a while ago, when Attorney Harder was asked by Honorable Chairman Dan Fernandez with regards to that matter, ang sagot niya, naghabol pa ang DBP doon sa question of rate, no, interest rate. Kaya sabi ko, which is, sino ang nagsasabi ng totoo? Because that is on record. Chairman, Attorney Harder wants to be recognized. Thank you.
Yes, the Honorable Harder is recognized.
Yung sinasabi ni Mayor Gallego na matagal. Pero nauna po yung negotiation, yung mababang rate din. No? Pagkatapos nun, wala nang nothing followed. Pinalo up namin sila, yung mga nag-original na nag-communicate sa amin, hindi na makontak na sa abroad, palaging out. So masyadong matagal pa yun. Kaya after that negotiation, kasi hinabol nila eh. Originally, may land bank kami. Hinabol nila yung rate. Kami na lang po yung City Hall. So hinabulin namin rate, pareho lang. So, okay, so pumakit kami, pumakit si Mayor. Okay, sige, para meron din kayo, meron din yung land bank. Nothing was heard about DPP. That's what sabi ni Mayor, matagal. Tama naman po yung matagal.
Sandali, attorney. Tama po pa yung pagkarinig ko na sinabi ni Mayor na meron din sa land bank, meron din sa DBP. Tama po ba? Ganun po ba ang inyong pamamaraan doon sa Silay?
Kasi yung...
Hindi, sagutin niyo muna ako. Ganun po ba kayo ron?
Ano pong...
Na sinabi mo kanina na sabi ni Mayor, para magkaroon din yung land bank, ibibigay namin. Magkaroon yung DBB, ibibigay namin. Ganun po ba ang patakaran ninyo sa LGU na Silay?
Kasi kina-accommodate po lahat.
Yes, wala ang sagot doon, attorney.
Hindi po yun gano'n ang patakaran. Pero during that time.
Sabi nun, hindi ako eh.
Opo, talaga yun. Parang to accommodate na kasi parang humahabol.
Bakit accommodation ba ngayon na pagpili kung saan kayo manghiram?
Hindi po, yung rate of interest. Kasi yung rate of interest pa rin wala.
Kaya ako nililinaw kasi mali yung statement mo eh.
Opo, sa amin po, wala naman pong masama. I'm sorry po Sa amin to, wala naman pong masama kung ilang bangko yung kuhanin namin kasi yung tinitignan po namin ang rate of interest.
Ay, iyon po ang isagot nyo.
Opo.
Huwag nyo na pong dagdagan kasi lalo po kayong nalulubog eh. Di po ba? Kasi hindi po tama na sasabihin ni Mayor na ito, para sa iyo ito, itong 300 million na ito, itong 300 million na ito para sa DBP. I think that is...
Hindi po yun ang ibig sabihin.
Kayo po ang nagsabi nun eh.
Pero on the basis ng rate, parehas lang, kung parehas lang yung rate, kumuha na rin kami sa kanila.
Sinasabi ko rin sa inyo, attorney,
Opo.
na you please be careful of your statements. Kasi baka doon sa statement ninyo, lalo kayong nalulubog.
Wala pong favoritism doon.
Wala ako. Hindi naman kasi nasabing may favoritism.
Opo, wala.
Ayun na naman ang nagsabi, may favoritism.
Yes, ang ibig ko po sabihin doon, pareho lang naman eh. Tapos sila yung may offer. Dalawa sila, pero pareho lang naman po yung interest. Yung ibig ko po sabihin doon, pareho sila may offer. We might as well give them, pero wala pong favoritism doon. Kasi parehas lang po eh.
Chairman, just as a rejoinder lang. Kasi, attorney, you watch your statement, nilulupot mo kasi si Mayor eh. At tingnan mo ang last statement walang favoritism. Sino ba may sabi may favoritism? That's coming from you, not from us. Nilulupot mo yung Mayor mo. Tapusin mo ako. Nilulupot mo yung Mayor mo. Kaya, please, once again, for the interest of Silainon, kindly be careful of your statement. Kasi sabi ni Mayor, mamadali. Masyadong mamagal. Pumasok ka, nag-call pa yung DBP. This time around, sinabi mo, kinausap, paghati-hatian. Now, we don't never say na may favoritism. Ikaw ay sabi noon. Nilulupong po yung Mayor mo. Kaya, ito, kindly ako gumago statement mo. You're a lawyer, but you cannot have your practice as lawyering in this committee. Alam ko you're a lawyer, pero huwag kang mag-lawyering dito because we are not idiot in this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Can I get back my time, Mr. Chairman?
You still have
Still my time. Okay. Landmark, are you aware of Department Order of Department of Finance 054.2016?
I'm not so aware of that. Sorry, Your Honor. Not so aware.
Anong posisyon mo ba sa land bank?
Sa lending ho ako.
Sa lending? Dapat alam mo to. Lending ka eh. Signed by Secretary Dominguez. Streamlining yung certification of NDSC. Yung, alam mo yung NDSC? Diba yes. Net Debt service ceiling. NBC, yung borrowing capacity. I'm pretty sure, alam mo to.
Yes, Your Honor.
Because are being mandated to be secured from the Monetary Board. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, alam mo yan. Kasi nga,
No, the number lang, Your Honor.
Ano?
Sorry. Yung number ng circular lang.
sige. Were you able to secure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you give us the documents coming from Monetary Board?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the borrowing capacity of the City of Silay?
Last 2023 is 1.7 billion, Your Honor.
1.7 billion.
Yes.
That is certified by Monetary Board. Huh? Boss?
Yes, Your Honor.
And also the NDSC, certified by the Monetary Board.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, pakibigay. Mayor, magkano po ang budget ng ating pong current revenue or income ng city? Magkano po yung budget natin? Annual budget.
Your Honor, sandali lang po, itanong ko muna sa Treasurer, hindi ko masyadong anong budget naman, Your Honor. Nandito ang budget officer namin, Your Honor. Pumari lang, Your Honor.
Sige po, sino pong nakakaalam? Finance Committee. Councilor, ikaw ang finance eh. Alam mo yan, magkano ang budget? Annual budget? 2023. Revenue or income? 2 billion, 3 billion, 3
Mr. Chair, more or less mga almost 1 billion, Mr. Presiding Officer. Mr. Chair.
1 billion.
Yes.
1 billion.
1 billion 73 million.
1 point?
1 billion 73.
So, 1 billion, almost lampas ng 1 billion yung inyong budget. At PS, magkano PS dyan? Para malaman natin yung sinasabi na nakasecure kayo ng SD sa borrowing capacity ninyo. Kailangan malaman natin yan. Di ba? Kung meron kayong kapasidad para mag-loan ng ganong kalaki.
Sige, Mr. Chair, not to exceed 45% of 1073 billion.
So, can you kindly submit to us, sige Mayor na lang, can you kindly submit to us yung budget nyo for the 2023 and 2024 para makita po muna. 2023 na lang kasi doon kayo nag-loan eh. Ha? Can you kindly submit to us, Mayor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige po. At so, sino pong ang Finance Committee? Treasurer, budget. Andiyan ba treasurer nyo? Ayun, treasurer. Ma'am. Oh, ma'am, ma'am. Okay. So kayo, alam niyo kung magkano ang income ng Silay. Ayan, dapat kayo kanina tinawag.
Good morning.
Yes, ang magkano income, magkano revenue ng Silay.
With your indulgence, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Madam, have you taken your oath?
No, sir.
Please take your oath first.
I do.
So ma'am, ang inyo pong budget is revenue income is 1.073.
Yes, Your Honor.
At basically, saan po kumukuha ng income mga Silay?
Sir, part yan na NTA, National Tax Allocation, at saka local sources, yung business tax, fees and charges.
Magkano ang local sources nyo? Yung income from local sources?
Siguro, sir. Hindi ako sir sa fixed amount. Kasi wala akong dalang.
Mas malaki ira nyo?
Mas malaking
Magkano ira?
83% kami dependent. 83%. 17% lang local source namin.
Wow. So 83% ng inyong revenue comes ira.
Ira, yes sir.
Oh. Land Bank. Are you sure yung borrowing capacity nila kaya to, ha? Ha? Land Bank? We will be, Mr. Chairman, can we invite the Monetary Board as well? Para makita natin yung submitted sa atin is really authentic.
I-move mo.
I move that we invite also people from the Monetary Board para for the confirmation of the NDSC and the borrowing capacity of the city of Silay.
Any second? Any object? Hearing none. Comsec, please take note of the motion of the Honorable Fernandez.
Treasurer, kaya ba na i-meet ng city yung obligation ng loan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very much for the 15 years na long period of time, kaya.
Yes, Your Honor. Nagbabudget naman kami.
But do you have any other loan aside from this loan?
Sir?
Meron pa ba kayong ibang utang aside from this?
Yes, Your Honor.
At dito po sa ano nyo, magkano naka-earmark doon sa loan?
Pardon, sir.
Yung pong utang na to, 1.1 billion. Magkano po ang naka-earmark doon sa revenue po ninyo? Magkano ang earmark para doon sa loan?
2024 is 54 million. 2025, we are prepared.
Huh? 54 million? Ang, okay. Sige, tama po.
2024, Your Honor.
So, 54 million ang nabawas sa 1 billion nyo. Personal services, almost 45%. So, don't you think other programs ay malaki ang epekto nito sa utang ninyo?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Ano ang mga nabawas ng social services? Kasi 54 million ang binabayaran niya, di ba?
Part na yan sa 20% development fund ng yung quad, sir. Yung payment ng amortization ng loan.
Kasama sa 20%?
Development fund.
Inalis niyo doon sa
Yung amortization.
Infrastructure.
Yeah.
So,
project,
yun na pinasok ng 54 million.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Alright. So, for the meantime, Mr. Chairman, yung muna. At I just wanted to find out muna yung sa Monetary Board. Since wala pa naman ako nababasa pang iba pa. So, I'll be yielding back my time, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.